Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a Google account. So making or creating a Google account is very easy. All you have to do is to go to your Google browser, type create a Gmail account, and then it will take you to this site. Of course, you need to tap this create an account. Then after you tap this one, you need to provide your exact name, first name and last name, and then click next. Now you have to enter your birthday and gender. So for me, let's just say January 1, 1989, and gender is female. Okay, then once done, tap next. And then after that, you have to create your own Gmail address. But if your Gmail address is invalid, they will suggest or they will give you a valid email address. But if there's no problem, then you can click next. Okay, so always remember that your password should be unique. I mean, something that cannot be stolen or cannot be remembered by someone. Okay, and if you want to know your password, you can just tap this show password to know if your password matches each other. Okay, before you tap next. Okay, so once you're sure of your password, you can tap next or click next. And then here you need to provide your phone number. Okay, so you can see if you're living in USA, okay, you have to type your correct number because they will send you a code and you need to type that code in order for you to proceed. Okay, and then click next. So you must enter the 6-digit verification code to confirm that you get the text and then click next. Okay, for ad recovery email, you can type here your email address just in case something happened to this email address so they can contact you. But it's okay also if you want to skip this one. So, but for me, I would suggest that you should type ad recovery email. Okay, so they will send you a code and then they will clarify your phone number. Once then, click next. Okay, and then just click yes, I'm in. And then after that, you can review everything and then click next. So here you just have to tap this I agree. Okay, and then once you're finished with this, as you see, it's very easy. Then you have or you created your own Google account. Okay, so now you can use this to connect to other social media platforms too. Okay, let's just say you wanted to open a YouTube channel. So all you have to do is to tap this site here and look for that YouTube. Okay. Now, once you tap this, automatically you're assigned into YouTube using your Google account. Now, if you want to upload a video or if you want to be a vlogger, you just have to tap this one and go to your YouTube studio and you just have to provide some information here. Okay. So once done, all you have to do is to click this create channel. So that's it. Now you can upload a video. You can also watch videos here. And apart from this, you can also connect to other social media platforms using your Google account. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.